Today we're going to talk about two-channel recordings using the GSI Audera Pro ABR module. All protocols that are included with the Audera Pro are single channel. It's simple to edit these and to become a two-channel recording simply by loading the existing protocol, editing the amplifier settings, and then saving it as a two-channel protocol. When you launch the EEG and amplifier window for a single channel recording, channel A is designated as the right ear and channel B is designated as the left ear. So what that means is when you're stimulating the right ear, channel A will record the ABR for the right ear, and when you're stimulating the left ear, channel B will be recording the ABR for the left ear. So only one ABR recording or waveform will load when you press the start button. For a two-channel recording, what you need to do is simply change the designation for channel A to on and channel B to on. And what that means is no matter which ear is getting the stimulus, both channels are going to be recording. So let's take a look at how to do that. First, I'm going to load an existing protocol, in this case an adult click ABR. And all I want to do is modify the amplifier settings. I want to make this a two-channel recording, so I'm going to select on in the drop-down menu for designation for channel A, and I'm going to do the same thing for channel B. That's all I have to do to make this a two-channel protocol. I'm going to click OK, and then I want to save that setting so I don't have to do this a second time. So I'm going to label it adult click two channel, and that will be added to my list of protocols. Before I start a recording, I want to check the impedance. Low and equal is what we desire. That looks good, and I'm going to select the Acquire button to start the recording. For two-channel recordings, you will see automatically two waveforms. For the right ear, channel A is the ipsilateral recording. So in this case, that would be the top one, the one in green. That's the active recording right now. That's the ipsilateral waveform. Channel B is the contralateral waveform. If you look at the upper left corner, you can see the number of sweeps and artifacts. So I'm about halfway through my protocol. I can mark it if I want during the collection, or I can wait until the collection is done. I can change the scaling or display. Here I'm going to mark wave 5, almost done, and wave 3. Just have to hover above the peak, and that's probably wave 1. I'll go ahead and mark it. Change the scale a little bit so it looks nice, and I'm going to change to the left ear and do the same thing on the left side. So again, there are two waveforms that are automatically appearing on the left side, and when I'm stimulating the left ear, channel B is my ipsilateral recording, so it's the opposite of the right ear. So I've highlighted the ipsilateral waveform for the left ear, which is channel B. Again, I can take a look at the number of sweeps to see how far along I am in my protocol. I can also rearrange my waveforms, so I have my ipsilateral recording side by side now. Again, I'm always playing with that display scale. I want to mark my ipsilateral left recording, so I want to highlight that one or make it active. Select wave 5 marker, hover over where I think it is, left click once and it'll appear, and wave 3. Maybe there's a 1, but for this demonstration, we won't mark it. Here you can see the peak labels for both of those waveforms. I can arrange them on the screen, so I have my IPSIs at the top and my contras at the bottom. Once I'm done, if I wanted to, I could label each one of those waveforms by going to the Report drop-down menu, selecting Add Text, and here I've added ipsilateral and positioned it slightly above the right and the left recordings, and did the same with contralateral. But that's optional. If you wanted to put that in your report, you could. So let's review. You're going to go to Amplifier Settings and set the designation to On for both channels for a 2-channel recording. You can save this setting and then name the protocol 2-channel.